Hello, I am DJ, CEO and founder of Digital Permit Book. Today I'm going to go over a quick demo of our product. So a digital permit book is a document management portal that lets you very efficiently manage documents, and it also replaces the permit books that you have in the trucks with all the permits. So you are no longer required to have these in the trucks, allowing you to save time printing, routing drivers around, and just going all digital. So let's go over the portal. This is the portal, your admin portal that you get to control all the documents. And here you can see all your stats at the top, how many documents you have, how many expired, expiring soon, and so on. And here you can see the documents that are coming up for expiry. And you can also set like daily notifications to get notified of the documents that are expiring and so on. So let's start with the document types. As you see, we have many settings, but we're going to go to document types. So you can set all the document types you like, unlimited number of document types, so you can manage all the DQ files, or the files for all your drivers, trucks, and trailers as you like. So you will set the document type, you will set if the document's required or not. Do you want to notify the driver of the expiry? And do you want to notify the admin of the expiry, which is you? And also, do you want to auto archive document every time it expires? Do you want to just put it back in the archive? So there's a lot of settings, obviously, but it will help you run very efficiently. If we go back here, so we have 4 profiles. We're going to start with our vehicles. Each vehicle obviously will have a profile, hold some info, and then obviously the documents attached to that particular vehicle. Same thing with the trailer, it's just a profile and it attaches the documents to that one trailer. The driver is our main profile. The driver profile holds the driver information, also the driver's login information, and then the driver is linked to a vehicle and a trailer so that he can see documents for this vehicle and this trailer. And here we are saying that we want to lock the driver to this vehicle and this trailer. So in this case, let's unlock the trailer. This means the driver can change the trailer on his own. But most of the time, the vehicle and the trailer, we can automatically update it through our integration partners. So that way the driver or the admin never has to change anything. It will automatically update the vehicle and the trailer. And then our last profile is company. Obviously, most of our documents, like IFTA's insurance and bunch of other company documents, we just store here, and then they are visible to all the drivers. We don't want to add the same document over and over to the particular vehicle or trailer or a driver. If it's the same document, then we just add it here. And so what happens is, very simply, we connect the driver to his current vehicle and trailer, and then we have a driver app like this. This is right here is an installed iOS app. We run on iOS, Android. We can use it as a web app, so you can access via QR code, or you can access via like a hot link added to your ELD like Samsara or Motive, and they just click on it and it opens something looks like this, and then the driver just can view all the documents by basically going to documents. So here we can see the driver is linked to this vehicle and trailer. Obviously, clicking on each, you can view specific documents for that one unit, but the easiest way is by clicking documents. That will give us driver documents, our vehicle documents, our trailer documents, and the company documents all in one screen, and you can just open and go back. And that's it. Simple as that. If you have an inspection, you can just go through them like that. In case the driver needs to email them, they can go email, select the ones they want to email, or select all, type the email, and send them out. If the driver needed to access the other trailers, in this case, he would go to view all. He can access all the trailers and documents for other trailers also. Or he can even change his trailer to a different trailer. And now when he goes to documents, the trailer documents are going to be different for a different trailer. So that's simply how it works. You can share your company contacts with the driver, and the driver can drop documents back also. Contacts you would manage here, and there's many other optional settings that you can ask about if you are interested. Now to go over support. Support is available through email or through live chat. The chat is right here. You just start the chat right here. Also, there's a help portal by going here to help, and basically there's hundreds of things here, and they explain how to get started, how to set up everything and how to do everything. But obviously you can always use the live chat and start chatting with the agent whenever you need help. And then the onboarding part is very easy. We either import or your all of your drivers, trucks, trailers using like an Excel sheet, or we do get them from integration. So if we support your integration, we're going to pull all the drivers, all the vehicles, trailers, and then we'll also connect the driver to the proper vehicle and trailer in the integration. So there's nothing to do there. And for documents, obviously you can add one by one. It's very easy. Or you can use something called SmartDrop Plus. It allows you to add up to 1,000 documents at once. So you just take like 1,000 registrations, you just drop them here, and they get attached to the proper vehicles right away. So, and you can use that for renewals and everything. So it takes about few minutes, like less than 5 minutes for about 1,000 to actually get sorted out. In case the system doesn't find one, and then it just goes to this review tab here, so you don't have to worry about it. It's very easy. And reports, you can run reports on your equipment or required documents. You can see if anybody, like a driver, is missing a CDL or medical. It will tell you here, and you can also get a daily report of this. So those are our basic functions, the most important functions of digital permit book. Obviously there's way more features and functions, so if you have other questions, feel free to email me and ask, or we can get on a live demo and explore everything. Thank you very much.